Is gonna be a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It's a simple neutral eye look with a classic red lipstick. I don't wear red on a daily basis, it's just for a certain occasion. Today I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Naked 1 palette. It's the OG Naked palette. They're all neutrals. It's really perfect for you to wear like on a daily basis, and the quality of the products are amazing, guys. I mean, Urban Decay's eyeshadows are amazing, you know, like really, they are high-end. They have like an amazing quality and everything, you know. So yeah, but unfortunately this product has been discontinued, so I'm keeping this, like, you know, to wear really, because it's already been discontinued, but they are releasing new products. So I'm pairing the simple neutral eye look with this classic red lipstick. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to start off with the primer. I'm going to be using this Photo Finish Primer Water from Smashbox. Wow, guys. Whew. I mean, it's really hydrating, and then, wow. Let's see how it's gonna work out. It's primer water. You can actually use it as a primer or setting spray and to refresh your face throughout the day. Okay, so my face is nicely hydrated and it's pretty dewy now. So let's move on with the foundation. I'm gonna be using this Luminous Silk foundation from Giorgio Armani in 4.5. The Luminous Silk foundation from Giorgio Armani in 4.5. This foundation is really great, guys. I really love this foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. As usual, I just can't live without this. And I use it to prime my lids as well. Go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, guys. Ooh. My T-zone. On my T-zone and other areas that are oily, just to prevent the shine. Let's do the eyes. I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Naked 1. Gonna take this shade right here, Naked. It's a nice neutral taupey brown as your transition. And circular motion. Now I'm going to be taking the shade right here, Hustle, and run it along your outer V. Take that big blending brush and kind of blend it. With a clean brush. Take the black shade right here and run it along your outer V. Blend it. I'm just going for a wing, but it's not really a wing. So kind of soften out and diffuse up. Take that black shade again. I'm gonna mix the shade right here, Sin and Sidecar, as a shimmer on my lid, and pat it on your lid. I'm gonna spray it with Fix Plus. See if the color could get really foiled and intense. Yeah. I'm gonna take the shade Naked and Dark Horse and run it along your lower lash. Kat Von D eyeliner and kind of run it. Gonna prime my lashes with the L'Oreal Luminous Lush Primer. Curl those lashes. Better Than Sex Mascara, my holy grail. I'm gonna run this Marc Jacobs eyeliner along my upper lash line. Gonna brush up those eyebrows, fill out those gaps with the Anastasia brow wiz. Just gonna fill out the gaps. Glossier Boy Brow in brown. Let's move on with the face. I'm gonna be using the Bahama Mama from the Balm bronzer. See, it's pretty. To warm up the face and bronze it up a little bit. Ooh, I love this bronzer. I'm going to be using this blush right here. It's Colourpop I Need Space. I love this. Love this. I'll be using the highlighter from JCat Beauty. It's this triple crown baked shadow with my favorite Colourpop brush. Ooh, it's really intense. A little bit on your nose, in the corner, brow bone. Run some powder along your lip line. Dust off extra product from your jawline. I'm gonna be using this Kylie lip liner in 22. And now the star of the show, Kylie liquid lipstick in 22. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow. Wow, it's gorgeous, guys. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow, it's gorgeous, guys. I mean, I'm not really comfortable wearing red on a daily basis. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really see myself wearing red mostly, but this shade has totally changed the game. Wow, I'm so in love with this shade. Just gonna set the face with the Smashbox primer water again. So everything will melt in together. The bronzer, the blush, the highlighter, everything's gonna melt in together, and hopefully the makeup will last longer. I mean, seriously guys, this lip color has changed the game for me, you know? It makes me more confident in wearing red lipstick. Wow, I'm so into this liquid lipstick. Guys, I just want to bring awareness to the issues that is going on in the US right now. Police brutality against black people, you know, the murder of George Floyd. I mean, we are talking about humanity and justice here. We must see a change now, moving forward. I want to use this platform to encourage my followers to stand up, speak up, donate, and sign petitions. I mean, I know I don't have a huge platform, like I'm just starting out on YouTube. I just want to encourage you guys to speak up. Silence isn't gonna help, guys. Silence isn't helping. We can help to make a change and make a difference. I mean, don't go to riots like that. It's really dangerous. But if you do go, then please be careful. We can start by signing online petitions, guys. I'm gonna put the link down below. And text Floyd, Floyd, to 55156. Police officers were arrested. That's a great start. Justice has to be served. We are talking about humans here. We gotta respect each other. All men were born equal. No one is better than the others. We're talking about equality, guys, about humanity and about justice. So let's try to do our best to make a change. So yeah guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which product you like to use on your face for this kind of look. For classic neutral eye look with red lipstick, with classic red lipstick. And let me know which lipstick you like the most. Which red lipstick you like the most, from which brand. Which red lipstick is your favorite. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!